Ralph here once again. I could not find any program on Yahoo or basically anything for pulling all the ticker information from every single company on the Dow Jones. So I tried to make one real fast. And here we go. First, we import the information. We create the alphabet, all capitals, of course. We look at each combination of 2, 3, and 4 using permutations and getting every combo. Then from there, we use the Yahoo API to filter if that match or that combination matches the company symbol. Boom, we knock it back into tickers, and there we go. From there, we use our data reader. From our data reader, we can basically pull off the information as such to get our combinations. So we can use adjusted closes for variances and so forth and so forth. And then just show it in action, right here. And of course, I have it running. This is printing the company, and you can see the relationship between the ticker and the company name. And it'll all be posted on YouTube, so play with it as you like. Ralph signing off. Hope you all enjoy. Catch you later on. Bye.